Okay, boys and girls. Step one to logging into Seesaw is we are going to go to google.com. First, pull up the browser. We're going to use the Chrome browser. You have Chrome on your iPad? Search for it. You see it? Yes. I want you to go to Chrome, and I want you to go to Google. Your screen should look something like mine once you go to google.com. He's got it. He's got it. Press cancel. I want it to look just like mine with a search screen.
I don't have Google Chrome.
Okay. Go just type in google.com in the search bar. Okay? Just use the Safari. Safari or Chrome. Good. Hand to me so I can show. Let's just find Google. I don't want anybody to stand up. This is what we're going to look for. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Do you see in the top right here, if you're on a computer, it would look like this. Touch it. Sign in. Now, it may say, hi, Muhammad. Hi, someone. Do we have this screen?
Sorry, Mr. Ryan, a few students are not getting internet. What should they do?
We've now put in we've got our Google logged in. We've signed on to Google. Now, anytime we open up an app, any new app, it'll say, put your email in or sign in with Google. Have you ever seen that before on an app? So, we want to use this because that allows us quicker sign in to all the different apps that you're going to use through the year. So when you begin each day using the iPads with Miss Megan, you're always going to make sure to sign in. And you'll notice that when you sign in, it'll often have like a letter of your name. So Mahmoud, what's your letter? What do you have up there? He has an M. When you're at home in your free time, you can click that M, click change, and put a picture of your face. So you know, you have to be careful. Since we share iPads with two different classes, when you open this up, maybe the kid before you did not sign out. So you have to be very careful and look at whose picture or what letter is there and make sure you're signing into the correct account. Okay? Let's go to step 2. We're now into our Google. We've signed in. Now we need to sign in to Seesaw. So, we are going to press the home button on the iPad. The home. Yes, and I want you to find the Seesaw app. Not the website. The Seesaw app. Okay. I'm going to pull it up here. Now we should have a screen that's going to look. I want you just to be at the beginning screen. Even those of you that cannot sign into Google can still try this step. So, your screen's going to look like this. We have 3 options here. I did not say go past the screen yet.
No, we have 2 options on the iPad.
Okay. 2 options. Because we're not, if you're on the, your parents will have the family iPad. I'm a teacher or I'm a student. Which one should you select?
I'm a student.
Correct. Let's go to it.
And then email.
If you're already logged into someone else's Seesaw from before, log out if you remember how to do that. So, have you came to this screen?
No. Came to this one.
Okay, it looks a bit different. Yours, hand to me. Your screen is going to look like this. Scan QR code, email Google, use a text code. Which one should we use? Yes. Let's try it.
Google.
And then you have the chance to sign in with email, sign in with Google. At this point, we're going to have some differences because some of you last year used iccloud.org.
Yeah.
So maybe the Google, we're all going to try Google first. If it works, fantastic. If it says you can't sign in this way, you'll have to go back and sign in with email. Okay? So those iccloud.org people raised their hand from last year. You may have some difficulty, okay? But save your questions for the end and let me try to come help you at the end of the lesson, okay? So everyone, I want you to try to sign in with Google. Okay? I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do it yourself. I'm going to come around. Most of us have got into Seesaw now. I know some of you have not. You can do this also at home. The same steps that I just showed you. Go home, get on your iPad or computer at home, log into Gmail, go to Seesaw, and then sign in. I've already put your email in Miss Megan's class, so as long as you put the Gmail account in, it'll know which class to take you to. So that's going to be your homework for Mr. Ryan for the weekend. You have to sign into the class. Right now we're going to do an activity. I found a really fun activity for you to do. If you don't have an iPad, I want you to partner with the person next to you. But listen, let's do the activity. Saeed, you're not waiting for my instructions. So, you're going to want to locate activities. Go to activities. You'll notice there's something called reflecting on me. It's going to provide you a template. Sareen, do you know what a template is? What is it, Sareen?
It's like some kind of sheet that's...
Right. It's an empty sheet, basically. It's something that the teacher can provide you that's blank. It's going to ask you different questions. It wants you to use the T symbol. What does the T mean? Type, or what's another word? Text. It wants you to use the text label to answer each box. Think deeply about it. If it's me and another person together, we will write both of our names at the top. We will communicate with each other and figure out our answers. Number 3 is going to be fun, I think, for everyone. Make sure you add 1 to 2 emojis on each post. Okay? So you can put emojis all around this. You have to read the question, answer it. So, how do you add that to your Seesaw? Do you see the button? It's a green button. What does it say? I want you to add it. What do you have now? Does it give you the template? Okay. I'm going to give you 10 minutes, and we're going to see how well we can answer the questions and decorate. Ready? Go. Okay. So now we have completed, look at me, please. We've completed them. Now your teacher has the ability to look at all the different ones. Very nice. I'm going to approve them all. I want to show you a couple things that you need to know for the future when you see when you've added something. So, I'm going to look here. Here I can tell, this shows me what? The person that uploaded it, okay? Now, what does this show me? The date it was uploaded. I can like it. I can comment on it. These are for the teacher, so you're not going to see those 2 items. I can like anything I want. Now, comment we have to be careful with. When we do a comment, what kind of comment do we want to give our classmates? Yes?
Nice comment.
A positive comment, right? I really like the way you drew that picture. Your sentences have capital letters in them. We want to give positive criticism to each other, okay? So if you see somebody's work that you like, you can give them a positive note. If you don't like it, just keep going on, okay? We don't want to give any negative. Yep, sitting. Feedback. And your teacher will also provide you feedback on here. Very good. So you'll be able to look at all your work here. Now, as we've finished, let's say this is the end of our lesson. We're about to go to another class. What step do we need to do next?
Sign up.
Correct. So, I want everyone to locate their name in the top left. Click it. You're going to see the wheel,
I already did
the
it.
gear. Click it. And you're going to see sign out. Always sign out after each lesson.
So should we click to sign
I want you to sign out. Hi. We've signed out. And we need to sign out somewhere else though.
Google.
Yes, so go to Google here. find the letter of your name,
No, we don't.
go to google.com, and you'll be able to sign out.
Sign out, done.
Make sure you're signed out of both Seesaw and Google. Did you sign out?
Yeah, done.
Well done. After we sign out, we're going to put our iPads away. We will do that now.